This is the Oraimo Boompop 2S, and I'm using it for about a couple of weeks now. And I would say it's pretty basic with the design and the build quality, right? It's not entirely different from the Boompop 2. It's just that this one is kind of better and fun to use because this one has gesture controls. But before we dive into all of those details, please make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be first to know when we drop a new video just like this one. Thank you. Starting off with the design and the build quality. As I have said earlier, it looks just like the Boompop 2. The only physical difference here is the color. This comes in blue, while the Boompop 2 comes in black. But I wish they come in several color options just to choose from, like white, pink, just for consumer satisfaction. This headphones is actually built pretty well. It is made of mostly plastic, which is excellent, making the headphones light and comfortable. They are also foldable and very mobile, which means the ear cups rotate 180 degrees and they fold pretty well in half, thanks to the hinge at the bottom of the headbands, which makes the headphone a little bit portable to fit in the bag or even sit well around your neck. So all around, these are really nice headphones. They are lightweight, they are flexible, they are comfortable, and yes, the ear cups are also very soft. That is exactly my experience with the Oraimo Boompop 2S. With this design and build quality, I think Oraimo nailed it. Connectivity and pairing on the Oraimo Boompop 2S is seamless and fast. With Bluetooth 5.3 out of the box, when you power on your headphones, connecting is easy and seamless. Head over to the Bluetooth department on your device and toggle it on, and immediately Boompop 2S will pop out for connection. Unlike some other headphones that it takes time to show up, the Boompop 2S definitely doesn't take time, and I also got 10 meters apart from my testing before I begin to experience a little bit of lag, which is pretty impressive. Let's talk controls. First of all the control on the Oraimo Boompop 2S are all on the right ear cup. Nothing exactly is going on the left ear cup. We have 3 buttons on the headphones, right? The plus button, the O button, and the minus button. For the plus button, a press increases the volume, while a long press takes you back to the previous track. For the O button, a short press will pause your music, answer, and also end phone calls, while a long press rejects phone calls. With the minus button, a short press reduces the volume, while a long press will take you to the next track. And yes, we also have the on and off switch that works every time. At the beginning, remember I mentioned gesture controls. Well, that is the main standard feature of these headphones and my favorite, and it only works on the right ear cup too, and that is basically where everything is going on. I'll try to show this on camera. There are 2 kind of gestures: the in and out gesture and the front and back gesture. The in and out gesture can be used to play and pause your music. You will do the in and out gesture twice. You can also do that to end a call. To skip the song to the next track, you do the front and back gesture twice. You can also do that when rejecting a call. I would say it just needs a little bit of practicing. I really like this feature a lot. It works 8 out of 10 times, and when it does, it comes really handy. Imagine I've got messy ends, or my hands are occupied and I need to just skip the song to the next track. With the gesture controls, it is heavenly, and I think it's really cool and it's a nice feature to have. Another nice feature of these headphones is ENC, which means environment noise cancellation. And to break it down, it just means that these headphones try as much as possible to reduce background noise when taking phone calls, and it just helps to make your voice more clearer. Or even in a virtual meeting, the recipient will be able to hear your voice clearer. These headphones is also capable of dual connectivity, which means you can connect these headphones to 2 devices at a time without problem, and switching between them is just smooth like butter. Okay, for instance, your headphone is connected to your smartphone and your headphone is also connected to your tablet at the same time, and you are seeing a movie on YouTube on your tablet, and a phone call just comes in from your smartphone. Without disconnecting to connect again, you can just pick the call seamlessly. This came true for me so many times. And yes, these headphones are also compatible with the Orosound App, and the Orosound App is actually a very thoughtful app just to control your device. I recommend you download the app and connect your headphones to the app so that you can have access to game mode that helps to reduce latency while gaming. But when I was playing heavy games like COD, PUBG, I noticed just a little bit of lag. Then you also have the equalizer. It is built into the sound app, right, to give you freedom to tweak and change the sound coming from the Oraimo Boompop 2S and to match it to your taste. But for me, this does the job. And yes, talking of sound quality, the sound quality on the Oraimo Boompop 2S is fine, and to be honest, it won't blow your mind. I am not an audio expert, and I don't think people that will be buying the Boompop 2S are also audio experts, but for me, the sound is rich, is bassy and fine. We don't have noise cancellation here, but the ear cup are actually doing a very good job to block out environmental noise while listening to music. And if I haven't mentioned, the Oraimo Boompop 2S costs about $25, which in Naira is close to 35,000 Naira. And I think at this price range for this piece of headphones, I think is actually a steal. Battery life on the Oraimo Boompop 2S is actually pretty solid. These headphones have 500 mAh battery, which is the same capacity on the Oraimo Boompop 2. But for one reason or the other, this does not last as long as the Boompop 2. I think it's probably because of the gesture controls. Don't get me wrong, it's still pretty solid. Because this 500 mAh battery, you are still getting around 50 hours of battery life on a single charge, and that is still insane. So if you watch a series for 5 hours every day, that means these headphones will last you about 10 days, and I'm sure most of us don't wear our headphones for that long. But hey, if you do and you want extra battery life and you're not a fan of gesture controls, well, you can turn it off on the Orosound app. So yeah, overall battery is pretty solid, and for charging, this takes about 1 hour 37 minutes from my testing to go from 0 to 100. But what I love about these headphones is that imagine you are running late and you want to quickly juice up your headphone before heading out. Because of the Oraimo charging technology, you'll be getting around 500 minutes from 15 minutes of charge, which is more than enough to last you the whole day. And to be frank, this is going for just 32,500 Naira. At the time of making this video, coupled with 1 year warranty, I think that is a steal for this budget entry headphones. And you know, they sound good, they're comfortable, we have ENC, we have dual connectivity, we have gesture controls, and if I'm just to speak for the Boompop 3, add all of those features and just give us different color options to choose from, give us active noise cancellation, and just sprinkle 1 or 2 features that we'll never see coming. And I think with that, it will be perfect. And yes, that is my review on the Oraimo Boompop 2S. Thank you so much, Oraimo, and thank you so much for watching as always. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.